Hello folks, earlier this month we told you that Samsung will reportedly use an overclocked Snapdragon Agent chipset to power the upcoming Galaxy S23 series. Instead of capping the clock speed of the chip's ultra-high-performance Cortex-X3 prime core at 3.2 GHz, the version of the component that will be found under the hood of all Galaxy S23 units is rumored to have a Cortex-X3 core running as fast as 3.32 GHz. The Cortex-X3 core will deliver up to 25% greater performance than the Cortex-X2. ARM says the Cortex-X custom program enables customization and differentiation beyond the traditional roadmap of ARM Cortex products, offering our partners a way to deliver the ultimate performance required for their specific use cases. Traditionally, Samsung has powered the Galaxy S line with its own Exynos chips everywhere except the US, Canada and China, but it seems that many Galaxy S buyers weren't happy shelling out flagship prices for phones that they felt were being powered by an inferior Exynos chipset. This will be rectified this year, as it seems that Qualcomm has pretty much confirmed that it will have a global share of the Galaxy S23 series this year. There's some news today about Samsung's special version of the Snapdragon Agent 2. While TSMC will be producing the regular variant of the chipset, it seems that Samsung Foundry will be manufacturing the overclocked version of the chip designed for its own phones. A tweet from Twitter tipster RG Cloud S says that there are two versions of the chipset. Version AB is made by Samsung using its 4nm LP process, while the AC variant is produced using TSMC's N4P process node. Cortex-X is a custom chip program from ARM that close partners can design and request to meet target. Hopefully it's not just fast and hot, but optimized. TSMC and Samsung Foundry are the world's two top chip manufacturers worldwide. In that order, Xiaomi recently posted on Chinese social media site Weibo that its 13 series will be among the first phones to support the Snapdragon Agent chipset. The Samsung Galaxy S23 series includes the Galaxy S23, the Galaxy S23 Plus and the top-of-the-line Galaxy S23 Ultra. The trio is expected to be introduced in February during the next Samsung's Unpacked event. The hot new feature for the Galaxy S23 Ultra is expected to be a 200-megapixel camera on the back, and this is not the HP1 ISOCELL 200-megapixels image processor made by Xiaomi and used on the Motorola X30 Ultra and the Xiaomi 12T Pro. It's gonna be completely new sensor. Samsung is rolling out a new update for the Galaxy Watch 5 and the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. It brings the latest November 2022 security patch to improve the security of the watches. The update is live for Galaxy Watch 5 users in South Korea. Apart from bumping the security patch, the 500 MB update also revamps the ball watch face for the app. The new watch face can be found in the graphical category of the Galaxy Wearable app. It lets you cheer for your favorite football team during the FIFA World Cup 2022 event by donning its flag as the watch face background. The update also brings general stabilization and performance improvements. To download the new update on your Galaxy Watch 5 series, navigate to the Galaxy Wearable app on your Android smartphone. Go to the Watch Software update. Guys, thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Good luck to all.